I encourage you to eat purple foods to increase your intuition and longevity. Have you ever had a premonition and just known something but you couldn't explain why? That is your intuition at work. It's an inner wisdom and your mind has yet to fully comprehend it. But do you know how to tune into this innate guidance? Learn how to trust and harness your inner wisdom to make decisions with clarity, confidence, and purpose. And while you're at it, why not discover how to eat in a way that can take years off your appearance and add years to your life? Welcome back. Today we're exploring the color purple, which is a symbol for wisdom, intuition, imagination, and spirituality. Purple foods are rich in antioxidants and anti-aging compounds that support brain health and enhance your intuition. Resveratrol is an anti-aging powerhouse. It's found in the skins of eggplants, grapes, especially the purple ones, and berries like blueberries, cranberries, and mulberries, and it's celebrated for its anti-aging properties. This potent antioxidant neutralizes free radicals and supports cardiovascular health and reduces inflammation. It's been shown to activate serotonin, which plays a crucial role in protecting against neurodegenerative diseases by influencing various pathways related to aging, oxidative stress, and inflammation. Resveratrol also protects brain cells from damage and may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. However, due to its low bioavailability, only a small fraction of what is consumed is actually absorbed and used by the body. So, fermentation can improve this, and supplements are always an option. Anthocyanins help cognitive function. They are the pigments responsible for the vibrant red, purples, and blue hues that are present in many of these fruits and vegetables. And they're powerful antioxidants, and they improve blood flow to the brain, enhance cognitive function, and protect against memory decline and oxidative stress. These compounds also support eye health, helping to protect the retina and improve visual acuity. And, interestingly, anthocyanins exhibit pH sensitivity, which means their colors can vary from red in acidic conditions to purple in neutral conditions and blue in alkaline conditions. Foods rich in anthocyanins include berries, red or purple cabbage, cherries, eggplant, plums, black rice, and purple potatoes. And you're probably wondering, how can purple foods enhance your intuition? Well, improved cognitive function from consuming purple foods means that you're better at processing subtle cues and signals when it's crucial for your intuitive insights. And foods like beetroots also support the body's natural detoxification process, promoting clearer thinking and a more focused mind. And that's essential for tuning into your intuition. Additionally, purple foods help clear brain fog, enhancing mental clarity and making it easier to access your inner wisdom. But the most powerful way to tune into your intuition is actually through meditation and to get rid of those disruptive thoughts and listen to your inner guidance. This comes in many ways, through the senses, a gut feeling, through your environment, or synchronicities. There are a lot of clues around you all the time to help guide you. You just have to tap into them. And if your intuition is guiding you to nourish yourself with some purple foods, I'm here to help. You might enjoy a smoky roasted eggplant or a purple cabbage slaw, a purple power smoothie, or a borscht. What about a comforting purple potato soup? To explore these recipes, check out the workbook and get the full details and nutritional information, as well as the exercise to identify different foods and match them to their benefits. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.